Would you like to live in an affordable castle? This might be the video for you. So stay tuned as we tour one of the most beautiful spaces I've seen in a really long time. Everybody, I've got a really special treat for you today. First of all, we have a new real estate agent that we're working with. This is William. Yes, his name is William. So William is going to be showing us around Pontremoli area, which is one of my favorite areas. It's absolutely gorgeous, still in the Lunigiana. Tell us a little bit about where we are standing right now.
We are in Montereggio, in the Mulazzo Council, and this is part of the old castle of Montereggio.
So you could buy property in the castle?
Yes.
I'm sold.
Found a castle on a hill so high, painted walls where the past won't die, stone floors echo every step I take. This village life feels like a sweet escape. Oh, Montereggio, you're calling my name. With you so wide, I'll never be the same. A terrace to watch the sun go down. In this castle I wear my crown.
Please.
I want you to go first and
Okay,
lead the
thank
way. Okay. So I already feel like a princess. I mean, oh, this is so pretty.
So pretty.
These doors. Well, I just need a moment to take it all in. So pretty. I'd like to go into the living room first.
Okay.
So this is the main salon, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, I love it. This is so crunchy, but I would kind of want to move in here the way that it is. You know, like put a fabulous chandelier in,
Yeah.
get some period pieces to put in here. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And you have a beautiful view, and it's so cozy. Oh my God, this is gorgeous.
How much is it?
How much is this?
The price is 50,000 euro negotiable.
I want to write a check for it. Seriously. What about you guys? This might be good for you. This is amazing. I'm always trying to get our film crew to move here. This is so pretty. So tell me what was going on in there. That looks like a little bit of renovation or construction going on. Was this something that somebody bought and started renovating? Tell me a little bit about the history of
Yeah.
why this beautiful place is for sale.
In the past was a big building. It's split in two properties.
Okay.
And this is the connection of.
That's where the other part of
Yes,
the castle is.
yes.
Okay.
The owner died about 1 year ago.
Okay.
And now the property is in the name of the parents.
But were they starting to work on this, or they just bought it? and
No, they buy it.
Did they buy
sell
it? Did
yes.
they inherit it?
Yeah, they sell in this condition.
They're selling it in this condition. Okay. Do we have a bedroom, or we don't
We
have
have
a bedroom?
the bedroom upstairs, and we have 2 rooms here.
Oh my God, I
Please.
really like you, William. This could be a very good relationship. Look at this door. Holy crap. What's behind the
This
door?
is a small storage.
Oh, okay. So there's a little more room.
Yeah, a very small
It
storage.
could be a powder room. This is so pretty, and the price is right. Oh my gosh. I mean, somebody needs to buy this like immediately. This is so cool. And honestly, you're living in a castle, really adorable village, beautiful area. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this fireplace. Ah! It's so pretty. I wouldn't touch a thing. I mean, I wouldn't. This is fantastic.
Fantastic.
It's so cute. I mean, it's a very, very small kitchen, but I mean, it's so funny, the fireplace is because it's castle size. And then there's this little room. Oh, amazing. You know what'd be cool is just put like a, Stephen, are you all right?
I'm all good. There's a chest there.
Yeah. Thank you.
just in case you fall over it.
Well, it comes with the chest. The chest is very cool. It would be almost cool to do like a modern kitchen in here and then just leave that. You know, that'd be kind of groovy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you can.
How are you? You're chic. You're about decorating, right?
Yes.
I mean, your office is chic and
Yes.
you drive a chic car.
Yes.
And
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think this is amazing. Yeah. This is so charming. It's so like storybook magical place. And move in. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's not a lot to do. There's some things to do, cosmetic things, but that's it. Oh, is this the bedroom?
This
It
is.
could be. What is it? What is it?
This is a rooms for our project. Is a new bathroom.
Oh, so you would put a bathroom
Yes,
here?
because we have the septic tank downstairs, and for that we can build a new bathroom
But where's the bedroom?
upstairs.
See, this is not how Americans live. So I'm going to teach you how Americans
Okay.
live. So Americans like to get up in the morning from bed
Okay.
and walk into the bathroom.
Okay.
They do not like
But
to
we
walk
have a
downstairs.
possibility to another bathroom. Okay.
No, I have a different idea.
Okay.
Bear with me here. Is there any way to take out this wall? These are the questions. This is a problem with a castle.
Yeah.
Is that you can't.
You can't touch.
Right. So this is a really good time to talk about this. So this is a historical building that you're living in. There are lots and lots of rules with historical buildings. Most of the houses that we go look at, they're not historical, they're just old.
Yes.
And you can do things like that. You can just take out a wall or whatever.
Yes.
I would make this a dining room.
Of course.
You know, because you don't really have an eat-in anything. So I would make this a dining room. It'd be very charming, incredible view. This sort of looks like a dining room, you know. So that's what I would do with this. You know, if I had my druthers and I didn't have all these constraints with the historical rules and regulations, I would probably pop that out so you could see the fireplace,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you could do some things under the table, but we're not going to talk about that.
This is the old bathroom.
Oh,
The original.
What? This is the original bathroom. Well, that's the head of the dining room table right there. That's where I sit on the toilet.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay. And there's a lot of really cool chests. I assume everything stays?
Probably yes.
Okay, so
Probably
you can,
yes.
all right. So my other question for you is, so to get upstairs, is there access from here?
Yeah, yeah, we have a staircase, internal staircase,
Oh
yes.
my God, I love this guy. Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This is fabulous.
You match the
would
floor
they
as
leave
well.
this?
Yes.
Do I match the
Yeah,
floor?
perfect.
I match the floor. I want to buy this. I kind of do want to buy this. Would this be crazy? I have to think about it. Okay. Oh my God, I want this place. This is like so sexy, you guys. William, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Please.
go. Poor William, he hasn't met me yet. He doesn't know what I'm like. I'm so excited. This is fab.
This place is very important because it's the loft, but we are already talking with the local surveyor and
Yeah.
this possible change in terrace. Yeah.
Stop it.
Yeah.
I kind of want to buy this. Oh my God. And this is the bedroom?
This is one of the two bedrooms. Yeah.
It's like so good. What's above this?
This is before the people making the new roof. The roof is okay.
Yeah, but they altered the ceiling.
No, this is a typical structure. It's
Not
iron
from
and
the
bricks.
medieval century. What's above it? Wood, do you think?
It's restored probably about 150 years ago.
When the rules were different,
Yes. Yes.
right? Because now they preserve it.
Yeah.
So you could go up.
Yeah.
I would take the ceiling out.
It's better.
Right?
If you have the roof on top, it's better.
We're going to work great together. It's
Yeah.
better, yeah. You know, if you want to redo this the way that
Yes.
it is, Italians, they're fantastic at this. You just say, please redo this, and then they redo it, and they literally do it in a day. The artisans are
Yes.
so clever and so good, and it's all hand painted. This is not wallpaper. So they come in, they replaster it. The windows, I would probably have someone look at them, and again, it's a castle, so you can't rip them
Yes.
out. So they would have to be refurbished. Once again, Italians very good at that. Like anything artisanal or having to do with, vecchia
Yeah,
cosa.
yeah.
They do a really, really good, old things they do a really good job with. And all these cool doors. Oh my, this is so good.
So good, yeah.
I can't take it. And they have the exterior electrical, which is what I have in my current house, which works great. You could buy a lot of very cool exterior fixtures, switches and stuff. This is very fun. The door is alone. I'm like losing my mind. I'm losing it. This is fab. Oh my gosh. Do they leave these?
Maybe, yes.
Yes, leave these for me. So this is the bathroom.
Yes.
That's the way in
Yes.
America they would have that be the master and this would be the
Yes.
bathroom. So one of the things you have to think about too is you can't really move walls around. So what I'm thinking as I'm thinking about purchasing this is that you have to live with these sort of smaller rooms. Again, you're living in a castle, you're living in a cute village, you're living in a beautiful part of Italy, you're not that far from Parma, it's very close. How far is Parma?
1 hour.
Yeah, not even. If you're driving with me, it's less. But yeah, no, I mean, the whole setup is fantastic here. And this, I would definitely just pop all of this out so it would just go up to the ceiling.
Yeah.
And once you have the height, then the rooms don't even feel very small, right?
Yes.
They
Yes.
feel spacious.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I love this so much. All right, well, I mean, if you don't buy this quickly, this girl's gonna buy this castle.
From Lunigiana to the hill so high, you sell us dreams under an Italian sky. A villa here, un castello là. You are the maestro of the casa cha-cha. King of keys, damn you're slick. Open doors with your magic trick. Pontremoli's finest, you wear the crown. Selling dreams in this crazy ass town. King of keys, damn you're slick. Open doors with your magic trick. Pontremoli's finest, you wear the crown. Selling dreams in this crazy ass town. Oh cazzo, guarda che vista infinita. You find the homes that rewrite la vita. Marmi freddi o il camino che arde. Tu sei re di ogni casa che guarda.
There's more?
More.
Oh my gosh, there's more.
More.
This is such a good price for this. I know. It's like, do I need another property? No. This would be a very cool rental, though. Yeah. Don't you think? This would be an amazing rental. Michael's doing all the calculations
On
in his head.
Airbnb, stay in a castle.
Yes, stay in a
I have
castle.
one thing for you, only for me and you. It's Donald Duck.
Oh my God. That is so cute. You have to keep this. Oh my God. All right, go. I'll
Okay.
follow you. Go. Oh my God, I want to live in a castle now. I live in a fortress, next stop a castle. So is this a community garden?
No, we have a private garden.
Ooh,
Yeah. This is our private cellar.
this is unbelievable.
huge.
This is fantastic. Look at the storage in here. This is the wine cellar.
Yeah, it's the old wine cellar, yeah.
Oh yeah, yes please, yes. Where do I sign? And this view, oh, this is so good. That's the turret that we were in with, this is the dining room. I can't get that checkbook out.
This pieces is the pieces of the garden is a 3-step with a fig tree, cherry trees and fruit tree.
I'm losing my mind right now.
And you can fence it
And there's a fig tree right there.
yeah, yes. This is shared,
Okay, this
Okay.
is shared, the path is shared,
Yes,
okay.
but-
It's got lighting, which is nice.
yeah.
Oh my God, this is so cool, you guys. Look at that, how cute that is. You're living in a castle, people. So this part of the castle,
Yeah,
Is-
it's with another owners, with another entrance.
oh, okay. So we've got this above,
Yes.
right? And then this below is part of
Yes,
theirs.
exactly.
Right, okay. And then there's one other person in front of us, is that
Exactly,
correct?
Exactly.
Okay, and do they live here year round? They're always here?
No, it's a holiday home.
Holiday home.
Uh,
Holiday
except the neighbor is permanently the lady.
home. The nice lady, the pretty lady. Okay. Very cool. I mean, this is incredible. So this is the end of the property. And this is community.
Yes, it's a share.
And then that pad there,
The first part of the terrace is our property,
Okay.
but with the right-of-way passage.
Okay, so there's like a little bit,
Yeah,
a
you
little
can-
place to sit out,
But
like a
you
tiny
can
place.
use with a table and
Oh,
drinking.
okay,
Yes.
okay. Oh, he knows me. Table and drinking.
Yeah.
That's me in a nutshell. Oh my God, this is, and look, I mean, the view is so pretty. It's so nice out here. I think we're gonna write a contract when I go back to your office. This was an amazing tour. If this is the first tour with William, I have no idea what we have in store. Thank you so much. If you got this far in the video, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you at the next property with my new best friend, William.